wonderful director making his debut with the film Lupt, who has been here in the industry for more than 18 years now. RGV जी के साथ में आपने शुरुआत किया था, राम गोपाल वर्मा जी के साथ लंबा काम किया है, उर्मिला जी के साथ में भी, विजय राज जी के साथ में भी. A lot of people, you know, who are a part of this film, you've already worked with them before. And this being, you know, that one project जिसके बारे में आप इतने सालों से सोच रहे थे, I am sure you are extremely excited and yet nervous about it. But I want to talk to you about भूत हूँ मैं. हम ये गाना अभी तक सामने लेकर आए नहीं हैं लोगों के, उसके लिए इंतज़ार करा रहे हैं. But I want you to talk about the memories that you have recreated. क्योंकि मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी कि सिर्फ गाना recreate नहीं हो रहा है, उस ज़माने की टीम को भी आपने recreate कर दिया है. कैसे किया है बताइए ज़रा.
Thank you media and the guest here. Thank you very much for coming. हाँ, कहाँ से शुरू करें? तो भूत के गाने के बारे में पूछ रही हो आप रुचि. Yeah, this is very special for me and also for the film because भूत हूँ मैं जाती है और जब भी हम भूत कहते हैं तो हम उर्मिला सामने आती है. बट वो सामने आती है मतलब उनका चेहरा
बहुत. वही बोलने वाली थी. I don't think that's a good thing.
उर्मिला सामने आती है मतलब वो बहुत खूबसूरत है.
जी बिल्कुल.
फिल्म के लिए उन्हें थोड़ा सा हॉरिफाइंग परफॉर्मेंस देना पड़ा तो बहुत बेहतरीन काम किया. आज सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि उर्मिला जी इज अनवेलिंग आवर सॉन्ग भूत हूँ मैं. तो इतनी सारी यादें जुड़ी है उर्मिला के साथ, भूत हूँ मैं के गाने के साथ. रुचि,
इन सभी यादों को हम फिर से आपके सामने लेकर के आने वाले हैं because you know I cannot wait to actually go back 15 years. But before that, I would like to call on stage the cast of the film one by one, and to start with, I think the most talented and the most versatile actor in the industry, Javed ji. Javed Jafri on stage.
And one more thing about the song. ये हमने सोचा ज़रूर था रिक्रिएट करने का, लेकिन विकी एंड हार्दिक ये हमारे इस गाने के म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने रिक्रिएट किया. बहुत बेहतरीन गाना बनाया. सो ज़ोरदार तालियां प्लीज.
6-7 दिन डे शूट किया है, मैक्सिमम नाइट शूट थी और डेंस जंगल था, रात की शूटिंग होती थी. तो डेफिनेटली जब हम शॉट दे के वैनिटी की तरफ जाते थे, जो हमारा बेस दूर होता था, हमारी लोकेशन अलग होती थी, तो डर तो लगता था क्योंकि डेंस जंगल था. कभी कभी वो एनिमल जानवर होते थे, उनकी आंखें नजर आती थी पेड़ों के बीच में, तो हाँ जो चमकती हैं, तो डर लगता था, डेफिनेटली डर लगता था. बट ऐसा कोई नहीं हुआ कि कोई भूत मिल गया हो, ये नहीं था. हाँ लेकिन डर लगता था.
अच्छा,
यूपी के पुलिस वाले आते थे रात को.
हाँ
तो डर लगता था.
करेक्ट डर लगता था.
Oh my God. मीनाक्षी, आपसे भी मैं जानना चाहूँगी, आपने इसके पहले साउथ की फिल्मों में इतना काम किया है, नाउ यू नो विद दिस फिल्म प्रभु राज जी आपको लेकर के आए हैं. हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस एंड हाउ इज योर कैरेक्टर इन द फिल्म?
First of all, thank you so much everyone for being here. And actually I'm just, it's like a very few projects that I've done here in Hindi, and I'm an upcoming actor, and at this point, you don't actually choose the projects. Projects choose you, I feel, and there's when Prabhu sir came into my life. I sat with him for half an hour, and that was it. He just could convince. I didn't need to get convinced. In fact, he just knows his job, and you could just completely trust him. That was my selling point. And I was out there. We enjoyed the shoot. And what was your next question? Sorry.
No, it was this only. कि कैसा लगा? How was your character in the film?
My character. Okay. So I'm playing. Okay, he doesn't look like a father, but he's playing my father. And
no
yes.
way. This is going to be the highlight of all the stories.
So he's the coolest father that I've ever got in my films. And भूत की हमें actually डर मुझे तो नहीं लगा, क्योंकि जावेद सर के रहते हुए सेट पे कभी आपको डर नहीं लग सकता. He's always somebody who will make 4 बजे 5 बजे सुबह when everybody is like dozing off, he is there to pull everybody out from their zoned out space. So I think it was a fantastic team. हमें पता ही नहीं चला हम रात भर काम करके कैसे, मतलब I think we were missing when we finished shooting. That's what I feel. So thank you so much sir for giving me this opportunity, and I hope I could do my job.
5 बजे we used to look forward to the भुर्जी पाव.
हाँ सर, एक दिन शेर ने भी दौड़ाया था.
शेर ने?
हाँ हाँ
शेर
ये लग रहा है स्कैरी स्टोरी
फिल्म सिटी में there was a leopard thing.
या
मैं यही तो कह रही थी ये लेपर्ड क्यों आया आपकी फिल्म में सामने दैट इज बिकॉज द फिल्म हैड अ स्टोरी लाइक दैट ओके ऋषभ आपसे भी मैं जानना चाहूंगी यू नो हमने इतना आपको ऑनलाइन सीरीज में शोज में इसमें उसमें सब जगह देखा हुआ है बट नाउ यू नो विद दिस फिल्म आप आ रहे हैं एक बार तो पहले वो जो आप बोलते हैं ना वो बोल करके दिखाइए
You want to dub this for me? I'll do the bit for you. Three. So you want to call action? You want to call action?
yeah you should do it
Ready, sir.
All right, then. Action.
Thodi slow. I'm so sorry about that.
Alright, you know with this आगे बढ़ेंगे हम और मैं बात करना चाहूँगी
I'd also like to mention one
Yes,
thing.
please.
Because ऐसी जब फिल्में बनती हैं and हमारे जो producer है हनुमान भाई, it is a lot of credit क्योंकि in spite of having the financing and funding, they could have made a so-called bigger film. लेकिन उन्होंने एक अच्छे सब्जेक्ट को लिया, कोशिश की कि अच्छे आर्टिस्ट साथ में जुड़े, and he gave this opportunity. I think I would give a big credit to.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
encouraging the
our
project.
producer, Anwant Khatri ji and Lalit ji. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
And also, I want to add this
Yes.
because we're here. Firstly, thank you so much for being here, and it means a lot to us and to the film. The production is great. The actors are great. Having Javed ji, Vijay Raj ji is great. But I also genuinely want to say that I am 24 by age. Prabhu sir is just one or two.
Film in its own, and that is not something for me to say, that is for something for all of you to know. So Bhoot Ho Mein song itself is so amazing, and when it came out it was as kick-ass as it sounds today. And when first of all I have to give the credit to all of them, because first when I heard about it, the first thing I did, which I'm going to share with you because they don't know but I have to tell you, is मैंने छुपके से पहले फिल्म का प्रोमो देखा. और even though I know the director for almost, I don't know how many years, yes, it is almost 18 years, because we kind of go all the way back to Jungle times when he was also helping us with the production and everything. He was like quite a one-man show, one-man army kind of a thing at that time as well. So I guess the passion for jungles has started since then. So having said that, it's very, very difficult to make a good, dignified, extremely technically sound and well-made horror film. It is very, very difficult. So सबसे पहले तो मैंने film का promo देखा, and I liked it so much that then I said, okay, now let's look at what's happening with this song. So it wasn't just like you know, at a quick moment that I said, okay, let's go, and then of course the song is recreated beautifully, and again credit to all of them actually who have worked on the song, and so that's why I'm here, and I'm just dying to see it myself as well, because then it was awesome and rocking, and now it is so awesome and rocking. It is something that just gets the gist of Bhoot, the thriller, the horror, all of those elements kind of rolled into one. So it is going to be quite exciting, I think, for me as well to watch what's happening now.
So अब जब इतना एक्साइटमेंट आपने बढ़ा ही दिया है, so I think हमें ये गाना दिखाना चाहिए. So आप क्या कहते हैं, दिखाया जाए गाना सभी लोगों के सामने?
बिल्कुल दिखाया जाना चाहिए. और एक बार और मुझे apart from the cast and the crew, प्रभुराज जी को मैं एक बार और special credit दूंगी कि he has thought of this fabulous song to launch the movie like Lupt, जो अपने आप में एक extremely technically sound film hai, and so I think this song will only take it to next level, and there is no two ways about it. So all the very best, guys, and I'm sure you will enjoy watching it. Thank you.
क्या बात है. So I present to you the song Bhoot Hu Main, लेकिन उसके पहले आपको बताना ज़रूर चाहूँगी, the song has Natasha Stankovic, who is, I think, ruling the screen with the song. So wait for that. And music directors Vicky Hardik, song producer Mikhil, and choreographed by Shabina Khan. Let's have the song. I would request you all to please step down.
Before that, one more thing.
Yes,
Sorry,
yes,
since
yes.
everybody is adding on their things later. So special, what you call it, mention has to happen to the cast of the film. So there are these two people who I have been always a big fan of. That is, one is right here, and one is not here today. That is Vijay Raj.
He's not in India.
And yes, they are both such fantastic actors. And I disagree with most people, even though he himself will not agree with me, that Javed is such a multifaceted actor that whatever role you put him in, वो अपने आप को उस हिसाब से पूरा बदल देता है. It's like having a chameleon who just changes his color. So I'm happy for him and for them that he is in such a brilliant role and he has done such a fabulous job, because it is the part of the protagonist to get the people in the film with his conviction and his conviction about his role, acting, the project and the character that he's playing. So I'm sure he has done a super job, and what gets chills even before the main lady Bhoot comes in is definitely Vijay Raj. His mere presence on screen is electrifying. The man again has surprised and taken us by complete awe every time he has come on screen. So this combination together with some refreshing young talent is definitely going to be a lovely brew to watch. So all the very best, guys. Really, go for it.
Thank
and
you
all
so
the very
much.
best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Urmila.
क्या
Thank you
है
so much.
everybody's like she's giving credit to the director, somebody the producer, सब credit दे रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, and I just hope audience credit के साथ साथ cash भी दे, and we have the box office running.
Yeah, I agree. Because imagine, I was just telling Javed, I said, producers ने नाम रखा है fun entertainment और fun दूर करके एक scary film दे दी है जिसमें लोगों के बैंड बजने वाली है डर डर के. So it's a very unlike genre to have chosen for a film to start with for both the director and the producers. So all the very best to you guys too.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, all you lovely people. On yes.
जगह छोटी है,
Please
प्लीज
come on
मैनेज
the stage.
कीजिएगा. मिखिल प्लीज कम हियर. जोरदार तालियां मिखिल को. इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत किया इस गाने को शूट करने में और सारी चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करने में. थैंक यू सो मच मिखिल. आई हैव सीन यू डूइंग वंडरफुल जॉब हियर एंड ओवर टू यू रुचि.
नो, मैं आपसे ही बस पूछना चाहती थी अब कि अब जब रिलीज डेट इतनी पास आ गई है, वो क्या है जो कि आप हमारे मीडिया मेंबर्स को बोलना चाहते हैं और उनके थ्रू देखने वालों को बोलना चाहते हैं? व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट पीपल शुड वेट फॉर?
टीम के बिहाफ पे तो मैं बोलूँगा ही, बट इंडिविजुअली मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है और मीडिया मुझे सपोर्ट करे, प्यार दे. अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है मैंने, बहुत मेहनत की है और इस मेहनत के पीछे मेरे आर्टिस्ट और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे प्रोड्यूसर्स. तो मैं आई एम वंस अगेन थैंकिंग माय प्रोड्यूसर मिस्टर हनुमंत खत्री जी एंड ललित जी. इन्होंने मैं 18 साल के पहले हमने काम किया था, ठीक है. प्रोडक्शन असिस्टेंट मेरे मेंटर मिस्टर राम गोपाल वर्मा, आई थैंक हिम सो मच.